Danny Early. Sweet Derek on camera. Lovely. Off we go, boys, off we go.
Get in the golf course then, boys.
Hembry, wingman. Danny, swingman. Kirby, cameraman. It's all Gravy Dale. We're off, we're off. Sure. Crocky, mate, there's a golfer. No, I'm joking. Yeah, now. 1:30. What's his reaction? What a swear. See him pointing at us? He's getting right in for us. Fucking Foghorn take 2. The first one was a bit shit because Curb couldn't hold the fucking camera.
Fuck it.
Got Hurley next. Say hello to his little friend. He's packing there in his jacket. Yeah. So
See you, Dan.
Foghorn take 2. Foghorn Leghorn. We got cruising around the golf course, having a look round, having a look for the rock people, having a look what's cracking.
Take window. I'm recording now, Scott.
Lovely stuff. And on here, just about to air horn some motherfuckers, some more buggers. Take 10.
There you are, you little bastards.
Don't run
We shook, we hot. When real humans came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get it right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When real, I move when my heart say move. Feels like a lion, got nothing to prove. Stubborn as a hot damn mule. God in my corner, nigga can't lose. Try to pick me out my hot damn shoes. See how quick I drop up and get you bitches the blues. They gon' see you on a hot damn news. And I ain't leaving nothing linking me to the crime. Not a